Slava, Kurdistan. Manawan Zdroya Choni. How are you, everybody? So today I'm gonna take you to Kurdistan. We're gonna react to Kurdish music. So I hope you're ready, because I am ready. This is a Kurdish mashup. You know I love mashups, so that's what we're doing. So thumbs up this video and let's go. Hey, you already know it's a Bob. Yes, say, yes, say, yes, say. I like that song. Okay. Yes. Oh. Hey. Yes, say, yes, say, yes, say, yes, say, yes, say. I do know that song because I listened to that song before, so that's why I know. Yes, say, yes, say, yes, say, yes. So I like that song. And they sing really good. This woman is a good singer. I like that song too. That lo 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 lo. I like that. Oh, excuse me, this man. He's good. I love it. They look so good. Hey! Yes! I don't know about you, but if you're not moving or you're not dancing right now, there is something wrong with you, because this song is about being happy. Like, get in the zone, okay? Girl, you know I'm about to... Yes! Okay, I have to say, like, this man, like, he dressed really good. Like, the lady is cute, but like the man, girl, like, he's like, oh my gosh. I like it. Hey! Girl, you know me, I will dance. Ooh, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hey. Okay, yes. It just make you want to dance, you know? Hey, the little boy is dancing. That is so cute. Amazing singers. This mashup was perfect. It has the energy, the power to make you want to dance. So if you did not dance, then something is wrong with you. This is Kurdish music. Get into it. Thumbs up this video if you want to win a bottle, a free bottle, water bottle. Link down below. Subscribe so you can get one. Love you. Bye. More videos on the screen, okay?